I'm hungry. I wanna eat. What shall I do? Shall I order food? No, it will take too long. I'll cook it. I'm opening my fridge. I'm taking out an egg and I'm closing the fridge. I'm gonna break the egg up and there it is. Now I'll scramble my egg. There it is. And I'll add a bit of salt into my egg. There it is. And I'll scramble it a little further. Now I'm gonna turn on the stove and I'll have my frying pan on the stove. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into my frying pan. Okay, there it is. And I actually want to have my eggs with bread, so I'll dip this bread into my egg like this. There it is. And I'll just have it sent into the frying pan. Oh, like this. 1 and 2. Like this. Good. And another one. Good. And 3. And I'll just empty the remainder of the egg into the frying pan. Like this. Here they are, being cooked. I'll give them a few minutes, maybe a couple of minutes, before turning them over. Okay. And now I think it's time to turn things over or upside down like this. Oh, yes, I'm right. See? It's red and ready. Like this. I'll give them just like less than a minute. And I have some greens. So I'll add those greens like this. And let's turn it off already. Some fresh greens. Good for my body, and it gives some nice taste to the food. And in the end I'll add some cottage cheese. This is cottage cheese. My dietitian told me that it's good for breakfast. It keeps you full. It gives you the sense of satiety when you feel hungry later. Yes, you stay full. You feel like your body is full for a longer period of time. And that's it, guys. Bachelor's breakfast. So I have my bread, my eggs, my greens, my cottage cheese, and some oil, coconut oil. So I'm gonna enjoy this. See you later.